Hey, good afternoon. It's Friday, May 23rd, 2025. I'm Patrick. I'm a disabled investor. I'm on $1 million mission and I'm sharing my journey to help other people learn from my mistakes. Today, I might have made one. I made one trade, and as a result, my portfolio decreased in value about $700 from last Friday to $97,000, which is down 2% since this morning. So here's what I did. This morning, President Trump was mentioning that Apple will be looking at a 25% tariff on their iPhones when they sell them into the United States if they don't start making them in the United States. And since iPhones are made in other countries like China and India, that's going to affect anybody who's buying an iPhone when the upgrades happen this year. That didn't go over so well with the markets, and as a result, that and some other stocks decreased in value today. So I took advantage of the situation and bought 4 shares of Apple, just kind of dipping my toes in, and paid about $196 a share, which is down from where it was trading earlier. So, anyways, that's what I did, and I'm not disappointed or anything. It is what it is, and I think I got Apple at a pretty good price today. So, anyways, that's what I did, and we'll see how it works out. Like I say, it might have been a mistake. I don't think so, though, because Apple's been trading consistently higher than where I bought it today. But time will tell. Yeah. Like I say, it was kind of the focus of Trump's tariff today. So, anyways, that's what happened. Didn't do anything else today. Nothing really exciting. And ended the day, as I said, down 2% from where my portfolio started the day. Anyways, that's what happened. Thanks for watching. Please comment. Tell me what happened to your portfolio today. Did you make any trades? I'd love to know. Please comment. Thanks for watching. Take care.